Hey everyone, today I'm going to go over my new metal collection coming to the shop on April 15th of 2021. So most of these are already cut and I'll show you here, but I do have some planner kits that I will show just screenshots of actual spreads later on in this video. Alright, so first we have these small post-its, or sticky notes I should say, and then larger sticky notes. All these colors will be the same throughout all the products, including these circle dots and these emoticons. These are great for habit tracking and just using as decoration. These are the checkboxes. This is for the big Happy Planner size. It fits perfectly the width and the length of a box, and there are multiple designs and colors, great for being cohesive with the rest of the collection. And they also come in classic size. They fit the width of a classic size box, but they are a little bit longer, but you can use them for sidebar task list to do as well. We got some borderless date covers, again in the same colors. I'm just going to peel this up so you can see. They're really easy to peel up and put back down. And then we have date covers that have some decorations on them. We got the chop suey, we got some new Metalheads, and then we also have some 3-size washi. So these are perfect for 4-day, 3-day, and single day dividers in your classic Happy Planner. And as well as the designs, we have them in simple colors as well. Alright, so these next items are going to be all of the die cuts. I put this marker here so you can have some size comparison. All of these will be available in vinyl and in paper. They are great for vinyl if you want to decorate like a laptop, a water bottle, a tumbler, and the paper option is great for stationery and journals. So I'm just going through. The first one was Freak on a Leash. The second one was New Metal in a studded bracelet. That last one was When Worlds Collide. This one is a Click Click Boom in a square cut. And all of these stickers are inspired by new metal songs and by the genre and the trends as well, including the one right before with the exotic facial hair. And that blind one is also on a song. I have another Click Click Boom, but this one isn't in a box. It's just a script by itself. Chop Suey, this one is probably my favorite. Actually, my favorite is the last one, but this one is just a rocker chick with an eyebrow piercing, and this is my favorite. If you don't know what this is, then you may not know what new metal is. So I put all of my vinyl stickers on this cup that I had, and I went a little overboard, so it does look crowded, but you can see that they do fit nicely, and I've washed it over and over again. All right, and then this is the PP week spread. This is how I decorated my week. And then it also comes in a big full kit. There are many options, or you can buy single pages. And then they are also in the classic size full kit. Also, you can buy by single pages or by options. And then we have the minimalist pages, which are for the big Happy Planner as shown here, and the classic Happy Planner shown here. And this is for the people who like to have white space planning. Alright, so that's pretty much the collection. It is a smaller collection than I usually release, but I was focusing more on die cuts this collection, although I was able to have a lot of products that I normally have in the shop. I will leave some links down in the description to some of the listings, so if you're interested, you can easily just click on the links and not have to worry about going to Etsy and then searching my name. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, bye!